Hi, good morning everyone and welcome to Eid vlog. So this is one of the most memorable Eid which is gonna be, that is we all are celebrating Eid indoors, and after fasting for 30 days, Eid is a day of celebrations. So I wanted to make it more memorable by vlogging everything. So now it's 6:30 and I have just woken up. After that, the things which I have to do before 10 o'clock, I'll just make you all aware of what all I have to do. So in my to-do list, I have the things which is, the first thing up is that I have to go do a little skincare, and then I have to have bath. After that, what I have to do is I have to make a kheer. So usually people make shirkurma, but I don't know to make shirkurma. That's why as an alternative, I'm going to make kheer. And the fourth thing is up is I have to offer namaz. So after offering namaz, I have to do my breakfast. So this is the entire to-do list which I have to finish before 10 o'clock. So in order to see whether I am able to do or not, then keep on watching. I will catch you guys soon. Bye. I'm going to start with the skincare first. So for that, I'm going to DIY a face pack. I will need some basin followed by sun-dried orange skin. So this is basically sun-dried orange skin which I have dried in the sun. So in the basin, just add sun-dried orange skin followed by adding water, and after that, with the help of the finger, mix it well. Make sure the consistency is not too thick and not too watery. It should be medium consistency. So finally I have prepared this DIY face pack. Now I'm going to apply it on my face. So finally I'm waiting for my face pack to get dried up. So by the time, I thought why not to go through my Instagram feed and check as to what messages have I received. So I'm just going through my Instagram feed. By the time face pack will get dried up. So yeah. So finally the face pack is dried up. Now I'm going to remove it with the help of a wet tissue paper. So finally, after wiping it off with wet tissue, I splashed water on my face and I removed the excess off, and then I tap dried it with the help of a towel. So now you can see the final results of the face pack on my face. It's looking more radiant and glowing, and yeah. So now I'm going to have bath and I will catch you guys after having bath. Till then, see ya! So, before going to bath, I would like to show all the two outfits which I have chosen for Eid. The first one is the black outfit with golden embroidery, and the second outfit is the purple outfit with golden embroidery. So, I'm really confused which one to go with. So, finally I had bath and I just came. Now, I'm going to dry my hair, and soon after drying my hair, I will get back to prepare kheer. So, I will catch you guys soon after preparing kheer. So in order to prepare kheer, in a tapela, add some grinded rice followed by adding water, and after that add 2 teaspoons of elaichi powder, and then with the help of a spoon stir it well and wait for some time till it gets cooked. And this is how the consistency will look like. After that, add 3 teaspoons of sugar and stir it well. After that, add milk. And yeah, there you go, your kheer is ready, and top it with some dates. So finally I prepared kheer. Now after preparing kheer, I'll go to have namaz, and I'll catch you guys soon after having namaz. So finally I offered namaz and I had my breakfast also. Now I am checking my WhatsApp messages to reply to the Eid Mubarak messages, and soon after replying to the messages, I will get back to preparing lunch. So this will take around half an hour. After half an hour, I'll be done with WhatsApp reply and also done with video calling to my friends and family members, and uske baad I'll go to make food. So for the food, I'm confused what to make today. I have 2 options, either biryani or either to go with pulao or something. I don't know. I still have to figure that out. Abhi filhal I'm just going through WhatsApp messages and yeah. So finally I decided to make biryani in the lunch after getting confused between what to make. So finally I went with the biryani and this is how my biryani looks like. So I finally decided to go with the black outfit with golden embroidery, and I have styled this outfit with my favorite golden sandals. And the reason why I love this sandals is because it has a cute detailing at the back, and I like the detailing of the dress as well. And the outfit is very basic. It has a golden embroidery, and I have paired this outfit with my chiffon dupatta, which is very basic. Since this Eid I'm not going out, so I went with a very basic outfit, and in order to add more drama I paired this outfit with my favorite golden jewelry, as you can see out here. And there you go, this is how the final outfit looks like. So now it's 2:30 and I got done with my lunch, followed by having some fresh fruits, and now I'll take rest. I'll go to sleep for some time, and once I wake up I'll be having tea just to fresh myself up, and after that I'll be going downstairs to take some good Instagram pictures and videos. And also I'm getting my hands on taking TikTok videos, which are very trending these days. So in order to see whether I'm able to make good TikTok videos or I fail badly, then keep watching the vlog, and I'll catch you guys soon once I wake up. Bye! So now it's 4 o'clock and I just woke up and I'm sipping on my tea. It's so refreshing, and after having my tea I have to go and get ready to take some good pictures downstairs, and also take some good TikTok videos as I've mentioned before. And also I'm going to call my friend who stays far away from me just to get to know, hope she's doing well, and I have to call her to wish her Eid Mubarak. So now I'm enjoying my tea. It's really very nice. So I'll catch you guys after I get done with my tea. Finally, I'm all dressed up for the Eid, and this is how my final look looks like. So I have paired this look with the golden jewelry, and for the eyes I went for a whole eyeliner and a kajal look, and to complement my eye makeup I went for a nude lipstick. So this is how my final look looks like. And also now the time is to call my friends. So I'm going to do a video call with one of my friends. Hi Anamta, Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak. So how is your Eid going? I hope your Eid is going well.
Hello, alaikum assalam. My Eid is going good. I hope the same for you. तुम लोग कैसे हो?
I am also very good. How is your lockdown wala Eid going on?
Yeah, it's really tough that we are celebrating festivals during the lockdown. But I want to say everyone stay home, make your family safe, and keep it up, hope the best for the future. And हमारे वीडियो देखिए जब भी आप बोर हो जाते हैं तो.
Yes, cause ये एक अच्छा time है to gain knowledge, go through YouTube, and also Anamta has really lovely videos. I mean, from my side, your two favorite videos are, one is the Jacqueline Fernandez wala recreation looks, and the second one is that DIY highlighter, right?
And your beginner's makeup was awesome. I tried it, I applied it in your way, except the eyeliner. I recreate your video and see how I'm looking.
Wow, I'm so glad you're looking so amazing. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for you, mates.
Thank you so much, love. And as you know, it's a vlog, so I'm really getting myself, pumped up to create the entire vlog.
I loved you 1,000 times.
Thank you so much for such lovely words, and do check out my vlog. It will be going to come soon. Till then, see you. Yeah, bye. See you. Mwah. Bye. Finally, I got done with video calling with my friend, and now time has come to go downstairs and take good Instagram videos and photos. So I'm going downstairs. So in order to see, then come along. So finally, I stepped out of my house, and I am pressing the lift to come upstairs, but unfortunately this lift is not working, so I'm going to press the other lift and let's wait for the lift to come up. Finally the lift has come and there we go inside the lift. Finally I'm in the lift. I'm so excited to go downstairs and take cool pictures and take amazing TikTok videos, and I'll show you all abhi kitne wale pe 5 4 3 2 1. Finally we're down. Finally I am down to shoot for this Instagram and YouTube lookbook. So finally I'm down and I'm doing everything by myself. So I'm gonna take some few shots in order to see how I take my shot, and keep on watching. The weather is so nice. I mean, aaj bahut achhe pictures are gonna come. I mean, today good pictures are gonna come, but then because of the weather, I don't know whether the shoot will come good or not. But then I have to take anyways good pictures today, and I'll show you all the location where I'm gonna shoot. So I'll show you all the vicinity over here. I mean, just look at the Activas. There is so much of Activas.
So this is how I've styled my outfit, with the statement golden jewelries. Complementing my outfit, I went with the diamond studded sandals, and it looks so amazing complementing my outfit. For the outfit, I chose the color green because this color gives the Eid vibe. Paired it up with some statement golden jewelry, and for the makeup, I kept it minimal. And here y'all can see the golden starring jewelries aren't at the start of the show, complementing the makeup, which is black coal eyes along with the nude lips. Definitely a sure aura of Eid winning this festive season.
Finally I'm here and I'm taking TikTok videos. Due to copyright issues, I'm not attaching the actual songs on which I made TikToks. So in order to see on which songs have I made the TikTok, y'all can check my Instagram. So finally I came back home after a really tiring shoot. So I got done with the shoot at around 7:30, and after that at around 8:30 I had my dinner, and in the dinner again I had the same biryani, and I spent some time with my loved ones. And now it's time to sleep. So now it's 12 o'clock and I've changed myself into my night outfit. So now I'm going to the kitchen to make midnight snacks because I always have this habit of craving for midnight snack. So I'm going to make popcorn today for midnight snack, and I have to do little editing and thoda bahut skincare also because I went down, I put too much of makeup today, so skincare is a must. So I'll catch you guys after making popcorn. For my midnight craving, I decided to make the Act 2 popcorn because this popcorn is my favorite one. So finally I'm in my kitchen over here and I'm going to make the Act 2 popcorn. So here y'all can see my popcorn is ready. And I have finally served the popcorn in this bowl. So finally I'm gonna go in my room and enjoy the popcorn. Finally my popcorn is ready and I'm going in my room to enjoy the popcorn as my midnight snacks. Finally I'm inside my home sweet bedroom. I'm going to enjoy my popcorn and do a little editing also, and I have to do skincare as I mentioned because taking care of skin is very important even in the night. So finally I'm in my room and I am editing few stuffs of my next YouTube video. So I hope I'll be able to finish this in some time or maybe not. I don't know. And I'm also enjoying my popcorn while editing. So finally I got done with editing, but few editing is still left that I'll do tomorrow. And now before going to bed, time is to do little skincare. So my skincare in the night is very basic. I use the baby oil as my night serum. So what I do is I just take little baby oil in my hand and I apply it on my face as a face serum and as a night repair serum. I'm going to massage it for some time, and after that I'm going to use my Nivea moisturizer. Just gonna take a little moisturizer, I'm gonna apply on my face. I'm massaging the moisturizer also on my face. So after moisturizing my face, I also like to use the lip balm. So this lip balm is from Shah Beauty and this is the 100% organic and this is just for ₹99. So it's a good deal. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips. And it smells so amazing. So you can see my lips are looking so hydrated and moisturized. So I am in love with this lip balm. So just in case if you guys wish to purchase this lip balm, then I have linked her Instagram ID in my description box below. Finally I'm done with the skincare and I hope you guys liked my video, and if you all did then please do give it a thumbs up. And this was like my first attempt making a vlog, so I know there will be a lot of mistakes and a lot of flaws in it, but then there is always a chance of improvement. So do let me know in the comments down below if you like this video and what do you all want me to improvise on in future, so that I can create more amazing contents for you guys. And do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. And also once again, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Bye.